Guys, it's been a long time since I flew so many airplanes and I got crashed so many times. I think it's time to go to an airplane called Airplane 1. Yo, this is crazy. I'm sitting here. These nuts. Oh wait, these 14. Where is these 14? Right. I'm a HIJ. Yo, I get the dumb seat, bro. Current flying on an altitude of 3,000 feet above sea level. Oh shit. 3 feet exploring the airplane. All right. Flight area, and he's dead here. He's dead. Bro, he's dead. The plane is already in danger. If you say so. Actually, you can assume foreign. Hey, what? Bro, why the hell is the airplane made of square? 9. Alright, at least I got 9 seconds. My seat is all over way there. 3, 2, 1. Sit down, you fucking bitch. Oh, I'm sorry, got a sandwich here. Yo, that's crazy. What do you mean ... bro? I'm not feeling very well, and she's gonna die. Die, bro. Wait, this sandwich has mayo? I'm allergic to mayo. Alright, your skin color's mayo. Bro, your skin color's male, bro. What do you feel about that skin color? Okay, it's my turn. Alright. This is so chill, bro. How many oh shit, bro. What is wrong with you? Am I having paralysis? Demon paralysis? Oh shit, give me that. Oh no. Girl, don't run, bro. Hey, I can run, right? Don't even. Oh shit. Oh damn. Oh damn. They won't even follow me. I just have to walk freely. I can walk freely. I don't want to sit here. Guys, I can walk freely without any problems, bro. I can just stand here, dance. I can just dance. Oh, look at this thing. Just chasing people whenever I'm dancing here. Bro, I'm literally right. You again, bitch. Oh my god, you have been here 2 times, and you summoned 6 snakes on the back. Fast, go! Yes. Right, guys. Why are you shitting, bro? Oh, finally. Hello. You. Okay, again. Oh damn, what is it? Oh my god, I'm strapped into a bomb. Dude, I'm strapped. You guys gotta help me, bro. You dumbasses gotta help me, bro. Oh my god. Bro. What do you mean yay, bro? What do you mean yay? There, I said. Oh my god. Thank you. Which cable should I cut? You dumbass. Where are you? Bro, I'm gonna explode, bro. I'm gonna explode. Bro, where are you? Bro. The freaking dumbass girl, bro. You know what? Link her location.